How to add nearby people on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat and then you will see an option of Snap Map. And over here, you will see several people around you. Turn off ghost mode and then you will be able to see other people over here. And then all you have to do is tap on the account and add them. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.